Chill. There you go.
My mom came and going to the street, bro. Damn. My mom came and going to the street, bro.
Just you.
You chasing me?
No, it's just you. What are you talking about?
My mom came and going to the street.
I can't see. He's right behind us!
What the freak? What is that? Where are they at? I can't see. What the freak?
My mom came and going to the street, bro. Damn.
He died. He's dying.
Came and going to the street, bro.
Come on. He went this way, and then right here. See, I told you. Listen to me.
Okay, guys, we got all the people right. Guys.
Hey, yo, I'm scared. Wait, I need to go. I know this one. He will knock the freak out of you in one bite. Nah, I thought I saw something moving.
Whoa, this looks so beautiful. We're in space.
Oh, run! That's him. That was him. Oh, he's right there. Do not get close to him, or he will kill you.
That's not him.
Yes, that is him.
It's the black man.
No, it isn't. That's if you see a white man with glowy eyes. Oh, you so black.
Boy, stink.
Oh, you so black. Regarding, oh, you so black.
Ah! Black boy. Yes.
Oh, I feel bad for my gun.
Quite dead.
Yo, period.
My mom came and going to the street, bro. Damn.
We're gonna live, because literally,
What the heck happened to your light?
in 1, 2, 3.
My mom came and going to the street, bro.
Damn. You bum. Oh my god, now run away from my Kanye now. Glowing, oh.
Why you gonna look at me down?
Cause this game, I see something white. Oh, Makani, we found it. All right, now this leads to the run of your life, Aiden. Yeah, how much run about? Yep, we're here. We gotta run. We gotta run. Whoa! Run!
My mom came and going to the street, bro.